Hey everyone, we got ourselves some Pokemon cards today. We got ourselves Vivid Voltage pack, Evolving Skies, Skies, Chilling Rain, and Battle Style. I think I said Sky. Did I put Sky in the last? Oh well, gotta remember Skies. Let's just start. Got ourselves our Vivid Voltage. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, roar. Energy. Whoa. Wash energy. Back. Zotic. Weedle. Talwin. Sandro. Sableye. And Beedrill. Alright. One down. Let's do Battle Style next. I don't know. Kind of sad I don't find Battle Style on Best Buy's website anymore. Did check out Best Buy's website again. Looks like trainer packs are slowly diminishing, and as well as the tins for the EVs. So in my area, so hopefully people are picking it up and not doing the whole buy it and sell it. I don't think this time around. I think the hype is done. I don't think if you're into it, you're into it. If you're not, trying to make money off it, I'm gonna say good luck. All right, we got ourselves an energy. A Peruldi, Tower of Darkness, a Girder, Mankey, Battle Style, right? A Remoto, sorry, a Weepinbell, and we got ourselves our Ursif V. Nice. Let's sleep this guy up. Sleep him up and put him in a hard pack. Alright. I think the V Max go for a few. Good chunk of change. I think these guys about a few bucks. Alright, let's go to our Chilling Rain. Gotta move these guys out. Gotta move them out. Chilling Rain. Yeah, that's Evolving Sky on my last title. That's it, guys. Whoops, gotta spell it right. Spelling is important. Definitely. Alright. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. RAR. Energy. Toss that on that side. Scroll of Skies. Funny Skies. Diary Hill. Relay Mask. Snorut. Bouncy Sweet. Kung Fu. Okay. Steenie. I like the artwork on this one. And Spirit Tomb. Alright, guys. Dum. We are at the end. I gotta say, I definitely like the packs. They come in nice and shiny and all. I gotta say, Pokemon does a nice job of packaging stuff. I don't know how many people are getting the celebratory. If it's on Best Buy or a retailer, I'm gonna try to get it, but definitely I'm now going to try that. I'm trying to avoid the secondary market on stuff. So I don't know about you guys. Let me know your thoughts. Energy, lady, sun and moon badge, pyro. Oh, cool. Global buff, Hoppin, Swablu, Azora, Tristone. Oh, this is nice. Azulus, and no. Sesamo. Sesamotot. No. Horrible. Horrible. Here's our hollows. And our full art from Battle Style. Is it focusing? Did we get it focused? Oh man, the focus is bad. Sorry guys. Can I help it? All right, it got focused. All right. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. As always, have a good one.